What up, YouTube? Another tow auction finds. What we got here is a 99 Dodge Durango with a 5.9 liter. Picked this up, knew it ran, had a key. Reason for impound was police impound. Didn't get the full complete story, but I knew it ran, knew it had keys, and it runs really good. We got a current list of issues. One has the wrong radiator in it, which I'm getting that today. Two, the brake master is completely shot, so no brakes. Well, has brakes, but kinda. Third issue, it has no bus going across the odometer. What is no bus? No bus is a lack of communication from the PCM or ECU, however you call it, which causes random stalling. Now, it didn't happen while I was driving. Yes, I test drive all my vehicles locally. In case anything happens, I can get it towed back. This one, sitting there idling, shuts off. And I'm like, oh, okay, I go to fire it up. I watch the odometer flash, and then it says no bus. My other YouTube video that's in my collection is regarding Dodge Durangos, Dodge Dakotas, and Dodge Rams with the no bus issue and how you fix it. There's a few people out there that don't like my video showing how that you can take another PCM or ECU out of another Dodge Durango, Dodge Ram, or Dakota. As long as the motor and transmission are the same, that ECU/PCM is not going to care. Now, if you try to put the 5.9 ECU into a 5.2, it's going to cause other issues, just like going from the 5.2 to the 5.9. There's many different issues out there. Now, this problem is from, say, 96 to 03 Durangos and possibly some of the newer ones. That goes for Dakotas and Rams. Now, I'm going to go see if I can acquire another PCM for it. And what you're going to look for, if you have the ability when you're at the wrecking yard, it's either going to have a black key, which is non-security, or it's going to have a gray key. If your vehicle has a gray key, then you're going to have to reprogram the PCM to that key. Now, if you have a black key like this one does, you don't have to reprogram it. But it is a 50-50 shot unless you can see the actual ignition key with it still in the donor vehicle. Knowing that it's a non-security key, you'll be fine. There are places out there that'll rebuild them. I've watched a few videos online about how to fix them. But in this aspect, we're just going to get it back on the road and get it going down the road. All right, guys, I'll post videos all the way through it. Here we go.